The most frequently asked question I get is, what is hyaluronic acid? So let's talk about it. We all have hyaluronic in our skin and in our bodies, and as we age, we lose that. So that's where the wrinkles, the sagging, the dullness come in, because we're losing that hyaluronic acid. So applying it topically is actually really beneficial to the skin. I also like to think of it as like a magnet. It can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. So when you apply it, it's gonna attract and hold on to any moisture from the air, from other products you apply, and you're not gonna lose that moisture throughout the day because it literally holds on to that moisture. I prefer to use it at night before I go to bed because every time I use it, I wake up with such plumpy, hydrated, glowy skin, and it's just amazing. Hyaluronic is truly liquid gold. So typically at night, I will cleanse, tone, and then I will apply my hyaluronic. And I just do a drop here, here, and here. And you just rub it. And after I tone, I like to make sure that my skin is still damp. So almost immediately after I tone, I apply my hyaluronic everywhere. Always bring it down the neck. It just helps your skin to feel so healthy. And it's gonna help to plump and really fill in any fine lines or wrinkles. It's just amazing. So right after I apply it, I like to apply my moisturizer, and it's just gonna really help to hold that on, and you're not gonna lose any moisture. So you can use that morning or night, whatever you prefer, and it's safe for every single skin type. So everyone can benefit from some hyaluronic.